good to all, provided you see. Walking tall, standing proud, black woman, that's me. Haughty in stature, and of course, brazen with response. Saddened by storybook struggles, forever etched in her heart. That's you, hell, that's me. Proud black women we are, that's who we be. Wounded by life promises, and at times she's broken without escape. She handles her handle with a pot of dream, $5 and a tale of stalemate. Surprised? Not me. With skin-colored sweet chocolate brown, I am a witness, you see. You got it, black woman, that's me. A race of earthy, robust women with curves like liquid fire and unpleasant past tainted, as some were bought and sold and others sex slaves for hire. Sarah Bartman, aka Miss Hottentot Venus. Her offensive claim to fame was all three. Her big, bold, beautiful body was displayed to onlookers through a handshake and a nominal fee. My mama, my aunt, my lineage are desecrated history. We are strong-willed, had no choice. We evolved to be resilient, charismatic, and determined. My beautiful ebony sisters, that's us, our infinite family tree. Do look into your soul and tell who you see. Coretta, Michelle, Admonia, and Merle, Sojourner, Angela, Maya, and Tony, Harriet, Rosa, Oprah, and Jackie, Sally, Lena, Miss Josephine, and damn, I see me. My heroes, my mentors, my feminine spirit set free. Black women unite, I exclaim with glee, for we are everlasting and unbreakable, worthy and alluring, unyielding and infallible. We are profound and enduring. And for those of you who may have forgotten, we are necessary. With reverence and pride, this I make my decree. Now, ask me my name, my answer, black woman I be.